So Paris morning. Today is Tuesday and today the 19th.
Today's Wednesday.
Today is the 20th.
No.
What?
19.
19. Okay, so today is the 19th. 6 days from the 5 days. 6 days from the craziness. 19 and 6:25. Woke up with a little extra coffee in Paris. And you know, sometimes you wake up, I wake up long time doing, but I just have this little bout of coughing. But I don't know the time, so I just have a little piece of nutmeg in my mouth. Oh, so we are heading to town. Camera girl, did you say good morning? Did you?
Good morning, guys.
We are go town. She a go China wholesale go look here. And I don't know where me I go. Look like I follow me, I follow her. So wish we luck that we can find something at town for vlog for you. When me want vlog, I'm not sure we can take out the camera this, but I'm gonna try. So I hope you're having a blessed day, and I hope the family, you know, I always talk about the family, everything is okay. If you're going to work, if you just come home from work and all of that, make sure everything is okay, you're keeping safe, and yeah, take a look at remedy for your throat. I have one to give to you right here on the Jamaican Debbie Debs train. I'll soon drop that video for you, the sniffles and stuff. But in the meantime, you can put a little piece of nutmeg in your mouth too, and all of that. Real Jamaican same thing all time something, you know. So guess what? When we come back home, we check in, we don't know. We don't see where I go on. We must find something down there for sure. No, we are going down downtown. Later. Alright, sorry. Inside the Bashco. So the first little place I can get a little vlog. So, if you want to tell me, so I can't vlog, you know. But me I go and do my little thing. So I care. So them pipe pan. You know, some pipe pan I have some like this. I just can't find them. I had some like this. I just can't find it. Wanted to do some pies. Wow! Somebody get themselves in a trouble there, so no. No, sir. Somebody put themselves in a trouble there, so no. No, sir. I'm in another expiry, but it's a pure plastic, you know. I look for decoration. I always like them look for something here. Which one would I go good with my kitchen? Come. I always like these. This bright green here? Grey.
Over to the side. Over to the side.
This one here?
Yeah.
This is small. Look at it. This is so small. Look here. They have deeper ones. Look at this. Alright, sorry, we're dealing with the soap piles there now. So take up one of them soap here. Come now. I show them where I saw so far in the camera girl basket. This is like cut here. I'm not reading any. It's for baby.
What are you having?
No, I'm not having a baby. Not the wrong section. Nice. And them lamp. Bob. This worth 5,400, you know, this not bad, you know.
No.
Eh?
No.
Why?
Like the shade.
Harry, come in. This worth 5,400. It's not looking bad.
That it doesn't work, and I'm saying I don't like the bottom.
Oh, you don't like the bottom? Okay.
The color is fine. This is a cute.
Okay. So we're here, Parry, right at the decoration. Come on, girl, we're going to put up our Christmas tree when she go home. So she's looking for some extra decoration. But you think you should? You don't think you should get another pack of these?
White?
You think so?
Depending on what we have at home. Thinking about what we have at home and this.
What happened to the blue? These?
We have blue, that's the thing. I'm trying to put as what we have at home to this.
Or white? What about these?
Maybe gold.
What about
Or
these?
these are here.
No, blue and then that and that. How much for one?
Oh
of
yeah,
these?
but we don't have a lot of these, and so it makes sense.
So take that. How much for one pack?
Same $20.
So take 2 packs. Let's take 2 packs. That is blue, burgundy.
Blue, burgundy, and white.
Oh, no, really burgundy, some kind of
Pinkish.
pink. Some shade of pink. So you have two now. What about the lights?
Well, this is white. It's
What color do you
$500.
have there?
We have blue.
You know, is it working?
Yeah, the other one doesn't work though. The one with the different
So we
colors
have
like
blue,
red, green,
the straight
yellow.
blue.
Yeah.
So what would we want? A white? All white, or you want a blink multicolor
something
one?
with color, something else with color.
So
Except
look,
colors.
let's look.
I'm looking at these ones to see
How
if
if we
I
go in
can-
our wholesale, go buy it.
It's less than $500.
I don't know. What is this?
It's lights as well, LED lights. This is white.
I'm looking at this iron board Paris and it is 7,900. It is really a nice iron board. Let me try it. Yeah, look overview it. I swear to God, but it's just one them out. This is really a nice iron board. I want it kind of get pop down. But I think this is nice. I meant you all. You know, if you not see it, if you not see it, you tell me. I don't mind the cover. Also, you can change the cover for me and pad it up over. I'm not too like that color. But you can put an extra piece of sponge on it. But it just really look good. Like 8,000 Jamaican, comment and tell me if you don't think it's worth it. So Pari, come on girl, come on. See me and me get one look orange. It's just not a ceramic thing like. It's for 700. I don't know. You cannot catch my eye. Let me reach home and show me better. So see there. My girl say I'm from Bashco. Greetings from Bashco, Pari. Catch you back sometime about the place. Later.
Alright guys, so we're back home now, as you can see. Me and mom are going to change out of like the downtown clothes at work, because you have to change out of it, you know, people rub up past you and all them something them really like that. So my girl, we're gonna change out our clothes now.
Pari, yeah, I'm going to change out my clothes because I'm really hungry. I take a bite to look a tasty patty. I'm going to look some lemonade, some wash. Yeah, look here, I'm tired. I don't know, but we spend about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I'm glad I come out of town. Because Pari, I not lie, down there more than crowd turn up. And today normally the half day Wednesday. But I know that through Christmas that's other things. I don't have another thing for to do down there till January. I have to go to the farmer's market either tomorrow or Saturday. Between tomorrow, Friday to Saturday. But other than that, I can't manage the crowd. I go take off them town something near Pari and I go get like a wash with one of them patties. So maybe I make my patty, I come share it to do. Pari lunch is, I don't know what this camera girl lunch. Like a wash. Yeah, the lime skin in Jamaica something. I couldn't stop to take out the seed nice straight. They were hungry, real thing. So I give me puppy piece of my patty. Lunch is served. So we did buy patties tasty. I'm just butter 2 slices of bread. I take one little piece of black cake for taste something out. A real thing this, you know. Yeah. I never buy no cocoa bread. I love bread. I live on the outside and on the piece of called veranda. Oh, I eat my patty and my bread. I eat my breakfast and just have 1 cup of tea. I forgot bake. And I want to do a little sheet. I want to rinse out some sheet. I've got to bake. I never the soup, you know, I done my food now, it just mostly soup. So you know, say I will eat that from yesterday, and from that I never eat my standard meal again, so I'm hungry. Oh, tomorrow girl, she buy home something. She was start her Christmas tree, she should have put it up earlier, but between me and you, I did delay the putting up because I want when my light bill come January, I can pay it. She will light a blink all through all December, so she will take you along with her and she will show you guys what she had deal with it. After she had a Christmas tree, she did a deal with it. So people that makes do a laugh. Real thing. I'm telling you, say, I might like this. I feel my stay. I have my neighbor them, so I'm running in the backyard. I work and I laugh and stuff. I'm gonna bake a few cakes, maybe about 2 to 3 cakes. I'm gonna bake that and I go cob. I go. I'm gonna do dinner. I do some dinner. So, but camera girl, chef go cook part of the dinner. Boy, Barry. Let's say after me eat the little patty and something, I'm gonna sit down about 45 minutes. These are what you call the post nap. I don't know how long I did I sleep, but I just come from my bed. I just, you know what I'm saying? Just went into a deep sleep. These are the type of things that I'm telling you about, you know? When you, but I'm a really early, early riser, you know. I'm a morning person, as me tell you. I don't know if I'd ever shared this with you, but I'm a morning girl. Anyway, from 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning, you can't catch me. I have me up. I'm energy alive and good until about 12:1. After that, I kind of dwindle. But if I go and get a little rest, a little nap and wake up back again, that's how my body operates. I know say all our body have different metabolism. Our body different. Yeah, I have my look at that comfort time love cover up, you know. So I just come right here, so come lay down in my bed. Cause you know, so guess what? Jamaican talk with is after me no wanna obey man. Me no wanna none of them at all, cause me and them in no business. So I just come and I just lay down and honestly, me did I have so little tiredness I go on about the place from a couple of days ago. So guess what? I get that little sleep there. It's not a laziness. This is just like, you know, relax. Me just let out that little tired tension. I mean, I let it out pound. But I guess you know me attack. So I go back and I get a little sleep. And I wish if I could stay so for the rest of the day, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You might hear in the background, they have some church on the road out there, so they must have midweek church sometimes. So say yeah, hear them in the background. So I'm up now. I get the two little cake them in. I don't know how much I do, but I know I have to do a sorry cake for somebody. I have to do the sorry cake for somebody and it have to leave the island by tomorrow the latest, by Friday morning the latest. So I have to do it. So I'm gonna be doing that and I have to look about some dinner. So when you see me next again, I gotta somewhere in the kitchen. I'm not sure I'm gonna do no washing because the breeze really strong outside, you know. And it kinda overcast today, you know. So you know you get that little cuddly feeling the inside, yeah. So you can imagine you guys where you are. So look here, we just published part 2 of the soup, the cooking process. So make sure so you go check it out and get some of that thing there in your system. So when you see me back again, I'm going to show you where we get a Bashco here somewhere along the line. And I guess camera girl I go put up the Christmas tree and show you all. Next clip here.
Guys, so we're just gonna show you I'm just gonna show you all the things that we purchased throughout the day. Not really throughout the day, but when we went out, all the things that we purchased in all. So when we went to Bashco, we decided to get a few little more things for the Christmas tree because I haven't put it up as yet. I'm going to be putting it up today. You guys will see that. We just got a few more little things, like a few more little Christmas balls. Change up, we needed some more silver and we're just gonna change up a couple of the colors to like purple and pink. And then we also have I don't know what you call these, I just call them some shimmery stuff that you put on it, and we got it in like this pinkish purple sort of color. We got 2 patterned napkins, 2 packs of patterned napkins, that's from our mom mostly. A light bulb, some laundry detergent. My mom bought this, I believe it's ceramic, or yeah, something like that, ceramic bowl. We got some Christmas lights, they're purple, can see that tick that they put there. So yeah, they said that it's purple. It's 100 in there. And over there, I'm going to be doing my hair tomorrow, so I decided to buy the hair for the braiding of my hair. You guys will see, I think Friday or so, or the next time when we vlog, you guys will see my hair, because yeah, it'll be done by then. So I bought 3 packs of those, and that's practically it. Yeah, that's practically it, guys. That's practically all. That's all we bought in general. So the next clip, more than likely, you're going to see mom, you know, cleaning up a little bit, or you probably see me doing the tree, one of the two of them. But yeah.
Parry, you know, said dinner go on. Drain off the water for the chicken. So. Camera girl, I got some of the something there. What the skeleton and something you care for season the chicken there. So where's the skeleton? No, you're using the skeleton. Go get the skeleton. So see me look a bowl here. Never get to show it to you. Nice little ceramic bowl. That come and take it up and say, my feel said, I think this is heavier than this. It has not have no work of weight, but it's thick and nice and all of that. If you like it, please comment. So, run this up. If I get it half good. So, I go crisp it. I go mix. Then also put some lettuce. Do some lettuce and stuff. Some tomato. So, dinner go on in about rice and going in this and camera girl. I go season the chicken. I leave it for soak. For start fry. So, you saw me I sweat down. I tidy up the kitchen and look how I wet up. That's my problem, you know. Well, as soon as me come to the sink or wash tub, I have to wet up. Then say me I go marry to junk, and if that not ready, not again. If I hear that one there, cut some lettuce, yes, so. You know, so me I feel fix dinner, don't it? But guess what? It's not every day. It's not. I don't cook every day. I don't. You cook every day, do you? I left them lettuce in a little slight salt water, but I put salt in it to make it stay chill, to keep them still crispy, you know. So, you now see from this, so dinner go on over here, so rice and gungo, we go fry chicken. But when dinner finished and we dish up, we carry back and show you. And camera girl still not do our Christmas tree yet. But we're gonna do that. We still not bake yet, neither, you know. Still not bake. I go do dinner, have my bath, and then I bake. Maybe I'm not even bother eat again. I'm not even sure. Maybe just get a cup of tea and 2 crackers and so. I'm not sure. Maybe I just leave my dinner for the man. We see how it go. And I want to say right here now, Charmaine McLeo. I saw in that was going through like some comments, and she has a sister that has passed away, and she said she's coming to Jamaica to put away her sister, you know, to put away her sister. So we want to, may I ask for some strength, send up some strength in the comment section for Charmaine. And Charmaine, straight from me, my sister, strength, more strength. Just hold the faith. I'm sorry to hear of your sister's passing and all of that. You know, this time everybody has celebrate Christmas and a up and a down. That's why sometimes power for just take it easy and make the thing just flow naturally. Because some people are up and about buying this, doing that, while some people have to be putting away their loved one, and that is always an issue. When times like this come and you have to put away your loved one in a them time, yeah, it's always like an anniversary thing. When it comes in time of era, you can never ever celebrate. So send up some love, send up some strength. You know, send all your condolences to Charmaine McLeo. She's on the train and she's also on the cooking journey. Camera girl, show them now. She had the fair way I season the parry. You see how me season chicken, you see how camera daughter-in-law, so she had the fair something so. Me that I saw. When you see me back again, I'm going to show you the pot of gungo rice and peas look, because it not dry out yet. Yeah? Soon come. Hey Parry, dinner time. We're not fully ready yet, but rice finished, dry out. Rice and gungo, me just take out like that. You don't know the look of something then? Whoa. Wednesday dinner. You remember one time, Parry, when every Wednesday would have cook rice and peas back again as stew peas in Jamaica? Who remember them something there? You can't do them something again, you know. And on Sunday you cook 2-3 meat. No sir, me never know people do them something there again, Parry. I swear to God, me don't know. Because me personally can't do it. You know, you cook your fried chicken and your cow foot and bean. You know, or your curry mutton and your oxtail and some fried chicken or baked chicken, macaroni and cheese, in the oven. You remember them days of Paris? You know that can't go to Jamaica again. Come here, fry. Look at the first set of chicken. You know me fry my chicken already. One day me I go take you through it. Like how me a vlog and I like the look of vlogging round and then something there. But tell me, a few people commented, so them like the video I put up the last video. If you want to see when me go around sometimes fix dinner, maybe most people might like it because guess what? On the cooking channel, me just teach how to cook. Right over here, so you have to see how me really cook my food. If you like it, tell me. In here, me did that say, you sit on Sunday, rice and peas, carrot, juice, 2-3 meat, macaroni and cheese in an oven and one cake or sitting there for later one ice cream. I mean, look at people like we could have done that for that in a Paris, so me as well. I'll get one wall fan for the kitchen. Put it right over this, over the machine there. I'll get one. I'll try my best to get one. If I never cook for the rest of the year. But I can't manage it because outside cool and me as well. So, I say, let me think can go on again. One meat and little rice and peas. And Wednesday day, it always like rice and peas again or stew peas. No ma. When you see me back again, dinner will be ready. Parry, watch me a dish food. And watch me a dish. Watch me a dish. Me a dish dinner. Camera girl, this good or you want more? You want to come on?
Just a bit more. That's it.
Camera girl dinner. You like bungo?
Not really, but I'll eat it.
Dad dinner. Dad, camera girl. Me I left some for son and daughter-in-law. Wish camera daughter-in-law lucky, not luck, have prosperous exam. She have exam tonight. She gonna exam must just start now 3 hours. And she have one 10 o'clock in the morning again. So wish her good luck that she get all A's. So me I dish some for she and son. Them have them dinner them house, you know, but maybe them just want a little taste of my dinner. So we do it, you know, with them always when we want it, me take a taste of them, but me know they might want a taste of the bungo rice and peas. And this is mine. Parry, me go eat some food, you know. And guess what? Me not bother bake, you know. Me go wake up about another 2:30 because them time the man time me up and just slap up them little cake there. So me not go manage to send them off till Friday because I have to make them soak in a little wine and rum. So I feel like me want to eat little food. Me go and jam with this. I kind of late now if I did earlier. So. And if me dish for everybody. I finish put out them meat now, Parry. Eh? When we finish up, we'll show you it go. So Parry, see there? I look at midweek dinner. So Dad, he making here so. Dad, me, daughter-in-law and son. Them have them dinner as me tell you, but I just have a little plan for them and this is me. No, this is a camera girl. This is me. So this is it. So look here. We are going to eat the food here now. So I think camera girl, she's definitely she put up her tree. So look here. Very soon after the food, pass her back for pepper. They come one look pepper. So me while she go look about her tree Parry. Me I go bathroom, come back, tidy up the kitchen, catch her early bed. Leave for the bed like fall early. Cause I go wake up at 2:30 in the morning when everybody asleep and the place cool. Me just crack that window. So I crack the window and still have sweat. And me I put. We don't make a lot of gravy, you know, cause I mostly son him like holy gravy and Ozzy. I don't like holy gravy. And I not put enough because that time she don't like the gravy neither. So look here. We're gonna eat some food. Next clip.
Oh, alright guys, so as you can see, this is our tree. It goes further up. Not too much, but yeah, like up. So we opened it up. By the way, this is artificial. This is not a real Christmas tree.
You can tell the Parry so them the tree they older than you.
Yeah, it's
I'll
artificial.
get the next one next year, kind of dash yellow.
Get a white one next year.
Probably by Fiat.
Yeah. So yeah. So we're going to put on the lights first. We opened it out already, as you guys can see. So we're going to put on the lights first. We have 2 lights. We have blue lights and we have a purple one that we bought today. I told you guys about that already. Mom is opening that one up. So we're just gonna open up these lights and put them on. Alright guys, so this is how our tree looks with both lights, the blue lights and the purple lights. I'm down here holding the plugs because the thing is kind of slack, so I'm just trying to show you guys how they both look. It's not everything as yet, as you guys can see. I still have to put on a set of ornaments, but this is just the light so far. So hope mom is showing you guys as best as possible. Alright guys, so we just showed you guys earlier, we just tested out the lights. So now, hold on. Okay, that's fine. So now I'm going to put on the ornaments. So I think we call this gold ribbon or something like that. Mom bought this a couple years ago for a Christmas tree. I think it's, yeah, gold ribbon. You guys can see it. Yeah. So I'm going to start from the top with it. That's the gold ribbon. Yeah. Alright, so I try to make it show more down there than up here because we're going to put on other stuff, so I don't want it to be too crowded. So next thing I'm going to put on is this pink, yeah, pink. Yeah, it looks pink in the camera, but it's like pink purple in real life. So I'm gonna put on. I don't even know what they call this.
I don't even know, just decoration, I guess.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna put it in really matter Christmas. So carry the opposite way. Carry the opposite way from the
Opposite way from the opposite.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is what our tree looks like with the lights and everything on it. So far, as you can see, we need a little bit more of this little pink thing, but we're going to get some on the road next time when we go out. So we'll get some and just put them on to where we desire to put them. So this is it, everything so far with the lights and everything. So yeah, and that's the topper that we have. So yeah. And now this is it in the dark. The flash is still on, that's why, but you can still see it.
Take off the flash.
Alright guys, so that's where it ends for our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog from us going out, going home, to what mom did, to Christmas tree. So yeah, so that is our vlog for the day, for the night. We're ending it now. We hope you guys have a good night, get some sleep, get ready for the next day. You know, those who have to go to work and stuff like that tomorrow, we have busy things to do, many things to do. So as I said, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and we will see you the next time we vlog. And as mom always says, never let the evil around you take control. Stay on top of things. Bye guys.